So today is 10/22/21, and put your period, or the third period. Once you're done with that, if you turn your paper over, please. Okay. On the back, I need you to number 1, 2, and 3. So on the back of your paper, please number 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to give you 3 questions. You're going to write down the answer to those 3 questions. This is what you need your notebook for, because your answers are in your notebook. Okay? So make sure your phone is not in your hand or on your desk. This is the paper that you're writing on the back of. Okay? So you have 1, 2, and 3. I need you to answer these 3 questions. And these answers can be found in your notebook. So number 1, you don't have to write the question, just the answer. How do you convert from grams to kilograms? Write your answer here. Number 2, hold on. How do you convert from centimeters to meters? Write your answer here. Number 3, what is potential energy? Write your answer there. Yes, sir. You can paraphrase it, that's fine. So you don't have to write the question, but you do need to write the answer. So once you've answered those questions, your answer should be here. If you'll turn your paper over, we're going to make some adjustments to our paper. Okay. So I need you to divide. I need you to do exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a line down the middle of mass. We're going to be weighing our marble in grams. So you're going to write down how much your marble weighed in grams. However, later on, we have to do some math, and that requires you to use kilograms. So you're going to have to convert the mass of your marble to kilograms. So please make sure you make your paper look like mine. And same thing with the height of the ramp. You will draw a line here. For the height of the ramp, we are going to be measuring it in centimeters. But when we determine our potential energy, we have to use meters. The last thing is for distance of cup. When we measure that, we're just going to leave that as centimeters. All right, so you're going to be using a marble, and we need to determine the mass of the marble. So I'm going to walk you through that, but you're not going to write down what I'm going to do. But when you figure out the mass of your marble, you're going to be using this area right here, okay? All right, so this is a triple beam balance. You're going to start with a triple beam balance. You want to make sure all your scales are to 0, and you want to make sure that this is at 0 also, okay? Now, the problem with a marble is that it will roll, right? Marbles roll. And so if I need to find out how much a marble weighs, it rolls. And that's my problem. So I'm going to put the marble inside of a cup. So I'm going to start with how much does the marble and the cup weigh? This is marble. So you're not writing anything, you're just watching. So I would weigh the marble in the cup, and when I do that, my marble and cup So you're not writing anything down, you're just watching. So my marble and cup together weigh 8.8 grams. But I need just the marble, so I need to subtract how much the cup weighs. So I can take out my marble and put my cup back there. And I need to find out how much my cup weighs. And my cup weighs, hold on. My cup weighs 2.5 grams. So now to find out how much my marble weighs, I just subtract. So 8.8 minus 2.5, I can use my trusty calculator, or I can use my head, and I'm gonna say that it's 6.3 grams. So I know how much my marble weighs. I'm using the same marble each time. So whatever my marble ends up weighing, I will write down here 3 times, okay? Because we're using the same marble each time, okay? But you need to measure the height of a book. And you're gonna be measuring the height of the book 3 different times. So you're gonna measure it in centimeters. So you'll measure how tall the book is. So mine's what, about 3, oh, you can't see that. Mine's about 3.4 centimeters. That's one book. So I would write, I'm sorry, you can't see this, 3.4 centimeters here. And then I'm gonna set up my ramp. And I'm going to use my ruler. And then at the end of the ramp, which of course y'all can't see, that'll work. Let's see. At the end of my ramp, I'm gonna have my meter sticks, and I'm going to make like a little alleyway, just like this. And the meter sticks begin where the ruler ends, okay? Because I'm going to put my cup here, and then I'm going to roll my marble down. And then I get to measure how far my cup moved. And so I'll measure the distance from here to here. How far? In centimeters. And so if you have it set up, then you just read your meter stick. How many centimeters did it move? That's the distance the cup moved. Okay. So you do that, and then you change the height. You add another book, take the height of that, and then you do it again. You're gonna do it a total of 3 times. I need you to answer number 3. Let's see if it will fit in. So it says hypothesis and I'm going to give you a starting point. It says hypothesis. What do you think will happen to the amount of potential energy as the height of the ramp increases? So you can say the amount of potential energy will And you're gonna fill in that blank as the height of the ramp increases. So the amount of potential energy will blink as the height of the ramp increases. You need to fill in that blank.